Hello, welcome to Little Souls. This is a platform to learn English phonics, grammar, and spellings, and a lot more. In this video, I will be talking about one of the English spellings rule. English spelling rule about letter C or K. What is it? You know what? We get confused when we hear k sound at the beginning of the word because we don't know whether to put letter C or letter K for the k sound at the beginning of the word. The rule is very simple. Letter C and K both have same sound, that is k. If you are following my videos, and then you will definitely know about the sounds for the letter C and letter K, which is k. So if you hear the k sound at the beginning of the word, you will put letter C for the k sound or K for the k sound. Let's learn this thing. You know, letter C goes with A, O, U, and consonant. Here is a simple and a very cute infographics through which you can memorize this rule. Examples can be cat. You are hearing k sound at the beginning of the word. So what will you put over here? You will put C for the k sound because in cat after C there is letter A. Similarly, cot, cube, cop, cup, cue, cut, quine, corn, cash. Do you observe this? That let here in all of these examples, letter C is followed by A, O, U or a consonant. On the contrary, letter K goes with I, E, and Y. Here is a simple and very cute infographics through which you can learn this rule. Let's see some examples. Kite, key, king, kill, kim. It's a name, that's why I have written uppercase K. Keep, kiss, kid, can, kind. As you see, here the letter K is followed by I, E or Y. So we will put letter K for the k sound. Why? Why we use letter C with A, O, U or a consonant and letter K with I, E and Y? If you are following my videos and if you know about the basic phonics, then you will be definitely knowing about the soft C and the hard C. You know, if we write I, E or Y after C, then the C will say its soft sound, which is S. So its sound will not be K. That's why we put letter K for the K if after K sound there are letters I, E, or Y. Subscribe to learn more, like, comment, and share. Thank you.